Lieutenant General Mkonasi for a further extension of the PKTT's term and the approval of a budget until February 2026. The financial approval is attached as SFM 16.
Yes, and that is at page 433 of Masemola 2. You'll see at page 435, it is signed by General Mkhwanazi, Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi, at the bottom of 435.
That is correct.
And then the other signatures appear over the page. CFO and yourself.
That's correct.
And the approval for the extension is for 8 months. That is under the recommendations there for the period 1 August 2025 to 31 March 2026.
That is correct.
So on the face of this, are you disbanding the task team? Or is the task team and its functions continuing?
Commissioners, well, you'll recall that we were still with the disbandment plan, but the team, I kept on renewing financial authorities, so the team is still working. As I said, remember there is no disbandment letter that I personally sent to either General Dumisani Khumalo and or the provincial commissioner. So they were still functioning because there is no clarity in this disbandment plan. We were still working on it, and safe to say that as one was trying to manage this process, looking for the real reason that never came for why is the team disbanded, and eventually after the arrest of Matlala on the 14th of May 2025, it became clear as to what was the objective for the disbandment. But the team was never, it is still working, and in any way currently we are going to beef it up, and Gauteng also, we are in the process of establishing a PKTT for the province.
And at this stage,
sorry, Mr. Mdao.
Apologies.
Can I just understand, is your approach that until the minister has approved